Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing some press-on nails. Lottie London was kind enough to send over 3 different styles of their stay pressed press-on nails. They come with vegan glue and adhesive tabs. So we are going to try out both of them, actually. I've already prepped my nails off camera. To do so, I just took a nail file and buffed the tops of them, and then I took some acetone nail polish remover and wiped my nails clean just to give a little bit of a textured surface to wear the nails. Now, I don't know which ones I want to wear. These ones I think I'm going to save for Valentine's Day because they're hearts. And these ones are like very Eastery, and I think I'm feeling these ones. So we'll do these. Lottie can be found in Walmart as well as CVS now. I've seen the Stay Pressed press-on nails in my Walmart. I don't know if you have, but I've never tried them before, so I'm really excited to try them out and see what happens. But the kit includes 30 nails, vegan glue, adhesive tabs, mini nail file, mini manicure stick. So let's get into this. Ooh, they come in a little bag. That's nice. Since we've already prepped our nails, we are going to put the little orange wood stick and the mini nail file off to the side. Not that those aren't really good options, especially if you're like on the go or traveling. I just prefer to use my like full size stuff. We're also going to put some of these adhesive tabs over on the side because we're only going to do one hand with adhesive tabs and one hand with the glue so that we can kind of see how each of the adhesions that are included in this kit work. If you know me, you know that I like to plan out my manicures, so I'm going to quickly figure out which nails go where to make sure that I have a manicure that matches. Just testing them out, these are a bit longer than I was anticipating them being, but that's okay. I don't mind them being long. I just, in the package, they didn't look as long. All right, so I just used all the ones that came in the actual like display. We'll save the rest for a later date, but they give you 30 nails, so that's an estimated 3 manicures, which is really, really nice. All right, so first we're going to put on the adhesive tab ones, and then we will do the glue. If I can get them open. All right, it says put the adhesive tab on first and then put the nail on top of it. So that is what we're going to do. Oops. Now onto the glue side. Okay, the glue is still a little tacky, so we will just have to be very careful. I do have obviously extra glue that I can re-glue it. All right, couple thoughts right off of the bat are that these are really nice thick nails. They are very flexible down at the cuticle, but like at the tip, they're very firm, and they're very like, thick is a good way of describing it, but like strong is what I will say. This is like their coffin style, as I showed you in the intro. They do have like an almond and like a kind of pointed style as well. These nails are like an extra medium length. If you are used to short nails, these might not be for you. However, the package does say that you can trim them and file them on the edge. However, I have never had much success in other nails trimming them around the cuticle. I've always trimmed from the top. And on designs like these, where it's like a French tip, to trim them from the top, you're going to lose all of the design. So these are like an extra medium to a long length. For me, they're kind of like more medium. For some people who are used to short nails, I know that these would probably be like the longest claws in the whole entire world. So my left hand has the adhesion tabs, which were super easy to use, very nice. The adhesion tabs that they come with are very sticky, and they're very flexible, and they're not very thick. I think sometimes my issue with adhesion tabs for press-on nails is that the tab itself is too thick, and so it feels like there's something in between my nail and like the fake nail. Not here. The adhesion tabs feel very nice and comfortable, and the glue, I glued my pointer finger on like sideways, same with my thumb. I don't know what was happening there, but the glue is very, very strong. I do have some air bubbles underneath the like nude part of the nail, which doesn't bother me really. If that bothers you, this might not be like the actual style for you. But yeah, so we're testing out both that comes in the kit. Glue on the right hand, adhesion tabs on the left, and I will come back in about a week. So it's Saturday today. I don't know what actual day it is today, being Saturday, but it's Saturday, so I'll try to come back around Friday or Saturday of this coming week to see where we're at. Did they hold on? Did they not hold on? This little card says up to 7-day wear, under $10. And they're made from 94% PCR recycled plastic. And the packaging is made from recycled materials. So we love to see that. So we will see what this is about, if they do stay on for 7 days or if it's just the glue or just the adhesion tabs, for under $10. I don't know exactly how much these retail for. I will have to double check and put that up on the screen somewhere, but I will link them down in the description box below. So if these tickle your fancy, you can check them out. But I will be back in 7 days to see if these are still on so that we can really put them to the test. Okay guys, doing the weekly check-in for the Lottie London Stay Pressed press-on nails. This side had the tabs and this side had the glue that the kits come with. So clearly the tabs did not last the whole week. This one came off on Tuesday. This one came off on Wednesday or Thursday. I can't quite remember. But the glue held up all week, and this is my dominant hand. My right hand is my dominant hand. So the glue held up really, really nicely. There is no even like gapping or anything like that. Nothing's wiggly or anything. And what was nice about the, what am I trying to say? What was nice about the adhesive tabs was that the nail came off pretty intact. So if I wanted to use it again or use another tab to like put it back on, I absolutely could have, but I did not. Again, just for like the purposes of the testing video. So I really, really liked these. Again, these like coffin shaped ones were on like the medium, extra medium length. If you aren't used to long nails, this style might not be for you, but I loved how they made my nails look and my fingers look really nice and long and kind of like elongated them. But yeah, so definitely a really good press-on nail. Whether you use the tabs, they do hold up pretty well, or you use the glue. The glue was really, really like nice and strong. It's a nice thick nail and the shape of it is really, really nice too, so it doesn't put a lot of pressure on your actual nail. The only thing to think about too is that the paint, as you can see, or like the design, was starting to come off from like wear and tear. I was doing like laundry, showering, housework, you know, computer work and all that jazz, but they held up pretty decently, I will have to say. I will link these down in the description box below. Again, you can get Lottie at Walmart and CVS. Thank you so much, Lottie, for sending me these to try out. I really appreciate that. I love a good press-on nail. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.